Hello and welcome to Financial Beginner. Today I am going to show you how to solve password as expired. Please log in again in Payoneer. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open your web browser. After that in the top there is a search bar. You just need to click on the search bar and type Payoneer login. And when you have typed it successfully, just press enter in your keyboard. After that this web search result will be shown to you. And on the first there is Payoneer login option, so you just have to click on the first web search result, and when you have clicked on it then the login page will be open to you. After that you just have to enter your email or username, and in order to reset the password there is an option below the password that is forgot password. You just have to click on the forgot password, and after that they will send you an verification code in your phone number or your email. So when you get that verification code you just have to type it here. They will send you a code and there will be a box where you can type in the verification code, and when you have typed in the verification code now you can change the password and enter your new password. So this is how you can solve the password as expired. Please log in again notification in Payoneer, and you can reset your password in this way. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.